In this lesson, you will learn the names of common non-alcoholic drinks. These are beverages that do not contain alcohol. Some popular non-alcoholic drinks are water, juice, tea, coffee, milk, and soda. Knowing these words will help you talk about drinks in everyday English. Drinks can be divided into two groups: cold drinks and hot drinks. Cold drinks include water, juice, soda, milk, and lemonade. Hot drinks include tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. Each type of drink is served at a different temperature and enjoyed in different ways. Water is the most important drink for life. It keeps your body healthy and hydrated. Plain water has no sugar or calories. It is clear and refreshing, making it the best choice when you are thirsty. Juice is a healthy drink made from fruit or vegetables. Orange juice is one of the most popular types of juice. It is full of vitamins, especially vitamin C. Juice can be fresh or packaged, and it is usually sweet and colorful. Soda is a fizzy or carbonated drink. It contains bubbles and is often sweet with different flavors like cola, lemon lime, or root beer. People usually drink soda cold. Some sodas have caffeine, which is a mild stimulant. Tea is a hot drink made by soaking tea leaves in boiling water. It is the most popular drink in the world after water. Tea can be plain or flavored, and many people enjoy it with milk or lemon. It is relaxing and often drunk in the morning or afternoon. Coffee is a strong drink made from roasted coffee beans. It has a rich aroma and a bitter taste. Some people like their coffee black, without milk or sugar. Coffee can give you energy because it contains caffeine. Milk is a white liquid that comes from cows and other animals. It is rich in calcium and important for strong bones. Whole milk contains all the natural fat and is creamy in texture. People drink milk plain or use it in cooking and baking. Here are some important words related to drinks. Thirsty means needing water. Refresh means to make fresh. Cold means having a low temperature. Hot means having a high temperature. A glass is a container for drinking. A cup is a small container used for hot drinks like tea or coffee. Try to use this sentence to practice. I would like a blank, please. You can fill the blank with words like glass of water, cup of tea, orange juice, cup of coffee, bottle of soda, or glass of milk. Using these phrases will help you order drinks easily in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.